let's understand this Chinese culture. So in Chinese culture, the zodiac consists of 12 animal signs. 12 animal signs, and that represents a cycle of 12 years. So this year 2024, so this is the year of dragon year, so 2024, so this is the year of dragon year, and next year will be snake year. Understood? So this Chinese zodiac is based upon the lunar calendar, and it really plays a significant role in Chinese and as well as in our Nepali tradition as well, especially for Tamang, Gurung, Sherpa, Dolpo, Futia, and Nepali Tibetans. So these zodiac animals, they really influences relationship, luck, and predictions. Okay, now let's pronounce names of these animals. Shu, 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 Neo, 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 Hu, 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 Tu, 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 Long, 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 Sha, 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 Ma, 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 Yang, 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 Ho, 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 Ji, Ji, Ji,狗,狗,狗, Zhu, Zhu, Zhu. Okay, for rat you can say Lao Shu as well, right? And for tiger you can say Lao Hu. For rabbit you can say Tu Zi. For monkey as well you can say Hao Zi. Dou Ke. Both are correct. 动物歌，动物歌。Here 动物 means animals. 歌 here means song.
Let's chant.
小狗小狗汪汪汪，
小猫小猫喵喵喵，
小牛小牛哞哞哞，
小羊小羊咩咩咩。
你追我赶真热闹，